This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 27 of Lineal Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which guides you through learning the scale and arpeggio of F minor, the relative minor of A flat major. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. Like A flat major, F minor has 4 flats in its key signature, but you will lose one because the leading note is raised from E flat to E natural. You should find the lower octave of this scale easy, as it is fingered the same way as the upper octave of C minor. The worksheet instructs you to use the right hand fingering for C when you cross the break and the left hand fingering for D flat, applying the flat break fingering pattern and the C sharp D flat rule. It is possible to use the alternative fingerings, playing C with the left hand and D flat with the right hand. There is a sound argument in favour of this, as D flat will be followed by E natural, and the movement between these two notes is effectively an arpeggio fingering. It is much easier to move the 4th and 5th fingers in the same hand than coordinate between the two hands. In due course you can make your own decision about this, but you are advised to stick to the recommended fingerings for now, as it is much easier to learn all these scales and arpeggios if you apply the rules consistently. You may find it easier to avoid miscoordination if you keep the right hand C pressed down when playing D flat in the left hand, and then lifting both fingers together when you move to E natural. Exercise 47 will help you with this. Here is the scale of F minor for 2 octaves. In the arpeggio of F minor, F will be followed by A flat, so must be played at the bottom of the scale with the left hand fingering. Again, the fingerings in the bottom octave are the same as in the upper octave of C minor. C in the second register can be played with the right hand fingering, keeping the movement from C to F in the one hand. Here is the arpeggio of F minor for 2 octaves. Once you have completed lesson and practice plan 27, you have reached an important landmark. You now know all major and minor scales and their arpeggios with key signatures of up to 4 sharps and 4 flats. Days 5 and 6 look very daunting, but let's see how long it takes to play everything you have learnt so far. 25 seconds. Not too much time at all. If it's taking significantly longer than this for you to get down the list, you should be prepared to spend some time improving all these items before you move on. The remaining lessons in this course are challenging, and you will find them insurmountable if you are not secure on everything you have done so far.